Alright, so as requested, this is the OBD II. This is what it'll look like. It's a little tapered, you know, what is that, trapezoid? Fuck, it's been a minute since I gave a fuck about the shapes and the names. So this is actually, if you look at here, there's side clips here. I just disengaged this one, I disengaged this one. This one is like stacked on top of each other. I'm assuming this is for specific, because look, it's only 2 pin, right? So this 2 pin is a green, yellow, and a purple. So that's this one. So this one, which is in this direction, meaning this is on the left side and this is the right side. It might be a little different, but there you go. It's green, green, orange, your black, black, and then you got here white, black, and orange, blue, and white, blue on that back side. So if we're looking at it and we're thinking about pins, I guess it would be, well, it really depends on this, right? So if you look at this, that's hopefully is enough information to help you out with which one's going where. And let me just, I'll give you a little around. And that's where the white and blue goes, and where that white with the silver mark there goes is on the bottom row. So it's 1 at the end, blank, 1, 2, blank, 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 all the way over to this edge here. So if you're looking at the front here, you see the pins. See them? One there, one there, there, one there, one there, and one top middle there. So hopefully that'll help you out. But yeah, I think this, not specific, but I know this is the OBD II from the shape of it. And good luck.